On iPhone, the clock font refers to the font style used to display the time and other clock-related information on the device. This includes the font used for the time display on the lock screen, home screen, and the clock application. The default clock font on iPhone is typically a clean and legible sans serif font. However, the specific font used may vary depending on the iOS version and the iPhone model you are using. Apple often introduces design changes and font choices with each new iOS release. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change clock font on your iPhone. Let's start. In the first step, touch and hold the lock screen until the Customize button appears at the bottom of the lock screen. After that, swipe to go to the lock screen you want to change. Tap Customize. Then tap the lock screen image. After that, tap the time. Then choose a font. You can also change the color of the time text by opening that same font and color panel and picking a color from the palette. After tapping a color, you can drag the revealed slider, further adjust the shade of the color. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know, subscribe to our channel so you can find a host of video features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.